Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data and removing blockers. Back up the iPad now so you can undo mistakes. Make sure you've spent any Apple ID Store credit and canceled subscriptions that tie you to the current country, because active services will stop the change. Once done, confirm you have a valid payment method and a billing address for the new region. Without those details, the system will reject the update and force you to add them before continuing. You navigate directly. Open Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases and View Account. This is where the country/region option lives. Tap Change Country or Region and choose the country you want. The device displays local terms and required fields. Read and accept the terms, then enter a matching billing address and add a payment method valid in that country because Apple verifies that data. After you submit, the store updates. Make sure the details exactly match your new billing info. Once the change completes, reboot your iPad to refresh regional services and then sign back into Apple services. You may need to re-download apps tied to the new store. Verify subscriptions and payment settings so recurring charges go through in the new country, and check that app purchases function correctly. If the change fails, the usual causes are unpaid balance, active subscriptions, or family group membership. Clear any balance, cancel or transfer subscriptions, or contact Apple support if you still can't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.